Hello, I'm JR. Welcome to my podcast. In this series, we will explore 50 years of thinking. Some focused, some whimsical, and others just escaped. From observation to romance to introspection to life, we'll move through this enthusiastically disruptive adventure. As morning breaks on Bangsburg's hall, as people come and classes call, in the midst of this wondrous scene lies the crooked vending machine. It looks so good with morsel sweet, says, "Come to me and I will treat. For 15 cents, you give a quarter to this lovely little hoarder." It takes your money, you hear the trickle, and returns to you just a nickel.